Hey everyone. If you want to connect Discord with Google Sheets in 2026 to automatically save messages, logs, or server data, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect Discord with Google Sheets. First, understand that you can connect Discord with Google Sheets using webhooks, bots, or automation tools like Zapier or Make. These tools allow you to automate everything without coding. Next, create a new Google Sheet. This is where all your Discord data will be stored and organized. Now go to an automation platform like Zapier or Make and create a new workflow. This workflow will connect Discord with Google Sheets. Set Discord as the trigger event. This could be a new message, new member, or any server activity. Next, choose Google Sheets as the action. This will send data directly into your spreadsheet automatically. Now map your data fields carefully. Like username, message content, time, or server details into the correct columns. Finally, test the integration by sending a message in Discord. If everything is set correctly, the data will automatically appear in your Google Sheet. So yeah, that's how you connect Discord with Google Sheets in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can fully automate your data tracking system. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides.